No, ma'am.
Completed questions till 68?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, yesterday I clicked photo of half the chapter linear equations. Today I'll click more because it's too much, and then I'll send.
Yesterday, that's what I've told
Yes,
you.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I keep on telling you. However, you complete one exercise, immediately click the picture and upload it. Otherwise, 200, 300 pages to click. Okay. Yep. AP, which question? Any doubt till 68 or 67? Till 67 questions I've told you to complete. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Daphne, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you told 68 questions.
No? Yes or no? Chandana?
Ma'am, I have completed, ma'am, till 68.
Have you completed questions till 67?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chandana, have you completed?
Ma'am, 68 also done.
Okay. Chandana, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Completed?
Ma'am, I have completed till 68.
Till 68 you have completed. Nishant?
Yes, ma'am, I have also completed and I will upload it after the class.
Okay. Pritam?
Yes, ma'am.
Anurag? Ganesh?
Ma'am, I have completed still 66.
One question left out.
Yes, ma'am.
Ruhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed all the questions. No doubt, anyone? No one has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then 68 also you have solved.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 69th. If mth term of an AP is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by m, show that m into n term is 1. You have solved question number, if you check your question number 61. Have you solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So read that question.
If the seventh term of an AP is 1 by 9 and ninth term is 1 by 7, find the 63rd term.
Seventh term is 1 by 9 and ninth term is 1 by 7. Able to understand the meaning? That question and this question is exactly similar. And mth term, that is 9 into 7 is what? 63. So 63rd term is 1. So you got 63rd term 1 in 61st question.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly similar. Only thing there were the numbers. So you have solved it easily. Now here these are not numbers, variables are there. So we have to, according to variables, we have to simplify. Now only thing difference is there directly you are dividing 63 by 9 or 63 by 7 or fraction, addition, multiplications or subtraction you were doing. But now here there are variables. So we have to factorize them. Simplification is done by factorization. So see how to do these questions. So first thing, Mth term of an AP is 1 by n. So mth term means
AM
AM is equal to 1 by n, right? And nth term is AN is equal to 1 by m. And what we have to prove? M into nth term is 1, right? So first start with the given things. AM, use the formula for AM, mth term, A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by n. Open bracket, A plus m into D minus D is equal to 1 by n. Consider this as a equation 1. Similarly, solve the second variable equation given. AN, that means A plus n minus 1 into D. This value is 1 by m. So A plus nd minus D is equal to 1 by m. Consider this as second equation. Now this variable, now these two are two linear equations. So variable is A and D. So A has the same coefficients. So directly we can subtract to eliminate A. Elimination method we have to use. A plus md minus D is equal to 1 by n. And A plus nd minus D is equal to 1 by m. So we have to subtract to eliminate variable. Minus minus plus minus. A minus A cancelled. Minus D plus D cancelled. Right? So md minus nd. If we take D common, what we can write? M minus n into D. Can we write this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Equal to 1 by n minus 1 by m. Now simplify this RHS by taking LCM. LCM is m into n. So here you have to multiply with m. Here you have to multiply with n. So m minus n into D is equal to m minus n by mn. So this m minus n and this m minus n, if this m minus n will be transferred to that side into 1 by m minus n. So this bracket and this bracket cancelled. So value of D is 1 by mn.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? This one is it clear? Now
Yes,
substitute
ma'am.
in any one of the equation to get the value of A. So A plus md minus D is equal to 1 by n. In this equation, substitute the value of D. A plus m into 1 by mn minus 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n. So this m and m get cancelled. A plus 1 by n minus 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n. Now these two terms will be transferred to RHS. So A is equal to 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1 by mn. So this 1 by n minus 1 by n cancelled. So left is A value is 1 by mn. So A and D both are equal. And now what they are asking to find out? Mnth term. So Amn is equal to A plus mn minus 1 into D. Then A and D value substitute. A is 1 by mn plus mn minus 1 into 1 by mn. So 1 by mn plus mn into 1 by mn minus 1 into 1 by mn. So this is 1 by mn. Here only student do mistake and they will tell that is I am not getting answer. So what is the value placed here?
1
1,
by
ma'am.
0. Ma'am, 1 by 0.
This is
Ah,
what
1 by 1. 1 by 1. 1 by 1, yeah.
right now what exactly I want to tell you told that. This is what the student is doing mistake. So mn and mn get cancelled. Left out is only 1, no? So from where 1 by 0? 2 into 1 by 2, what's the answer?
1.
1.
1, ma'am.
And minus 1 by mn, this one. So plus 1 by mn and minus 1 by mn cancel. So answer is 1. So mnth term is 1. It's proved. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now write it down.
Done, ma'am.
Can you scroll it down?
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Sorry. If pth term is q and qth term is p, that means 10th term is 15 and 15th term is 10. Then nth term, so that general term of that AP is P plus Q minus N. So every term you can write as 25 minus the position. 2 plus P plus Q, 10 plus Q, 10 plus 15, that is 25. 25 minus N will be every term. Okay. So now meaning clear? Pth term is Q, that means P and Q are numbers, positions, different positions. P is different position, Q is different position. At position P, Q is present, and at that Q's position, the value P is present. That means it is decreasing sequence. Then nth term of it is P plus Q minus N. You have to prove. So Pth term means AP is equal to Q and AQ is equal to P. Qth term is P. What we have to prove? Nth term. AN is equal to P plus Q minus N. Process same. It is, we have to first two equations we have to find out and simplify them to get the value of D. And after getting D, we have to calculate A. So a pth term, that means A plus P minus 1 into D is Q. So A plus PD minus D is equal to Q. A plus Q minus 1 into D is P. So A plus QD minus D is equal to P. So first equation, this is second equation, subtract both of them. A plus PD minus D is equal to Q. A plus QD minus D is equal to P. Subtract minus minus plus, and this is minus. A minus A cancel, minus D plus D cancel. PQ minus Q, PD minus QD. So it will be P minus Q into D. And this is equal to Q minus P. So D is equal to Q minus P by P minus Q. Can we simplify further?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can rationalize. We can ma'am, we can
Ma'am, we can multiply with minus sign on both sides.
So here we have to take minus sign common from this. If we take minus sign common, both the signs will change. Q has a sign plus, so it will become minus. And P has a sign minus, it will become plus. Divided by P minus Q. Now both the brackets are same. So cancel. So
Ma'am, D is equal to minus 1.
minus 1.
1. Substitute in any one of the equation to get the value of A. A plus PD minus D is equal to Q. Then A plus P into minus 1 minus of minus 1 equal to Q. A minus P plus 1 is equal to Q. So value of A is Q plus P minus 1. This is the value of A. And now they are asking nth term. So find nth term. A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute the value of A and D. A is Q plus P minus 1 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 1. So Q plus P minus 1 minus N plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So it is Q plus P minus N is nth term. It's proved. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you solve the 71st question?
Wait. Have patience, I'm solving. Krish, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed this question?
No, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've done the 71st.
Good. Continue further. M times mth term of an AP is equal to n times nth term. Then show that m plus nth term is 0. So they have given m times mth term. M times mth term is equal to n times nth term. Right? So this is what they have given only. And we have to prove that m plus nth term is equal to 0. Okay. Yes, Arav, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, after this, I put it a plus m into a plus d m minus d is equal to n into a plus d n minus d.
Okay.
Then I open the bracket, I got am plus dm square minus dm is equal to an plus dn square minus dn. After that, I brought everything from RHS to LHS, and I brought the like terms together. AM minus AN plus DM square minus DN square minus DM plus DN is equal to 0.
Everyone able to understand the step?
Yes, ma'am.
Factorize 3 terms separately.
Should I continue?
Yeah.
A m minus n plus d into m square minus n square minus d into m minus n is equal to 0.
Hmm.
Then I brought a minus d whole into m minus n plus d m square minus n square is equal to 0.
What I didn't get.
Ma'am, I brought the first and the last term together. They have the
This together.
yes, ma'am. I took m minus n common.
Yeah. So m minus n common from all of them. Possible.
Yes, ma'am.
We can take m minus n common. First part left out a plus here m square minus n square. We have taken m minus n common. So what is left?
M minus n.
D into m minus n.
A into m minus n.
D into m.
D into m
M
minus n.
plus n. M plus n.
M plus n. M square minus n square is m plus n into m minus m. So this m minus n we have taken common. So left out is m plus n and this d. And then minus d equal to 0. Okay.
After that, a plus d common into my m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0.
So this m minus n will be transferred to RHS, becomes 0 because m and n are positions, numbers, not variables. M and n are numbers. So therefore, we can change it to RHS and becomes 0. This is equation 1. What they are asking to find out? M plus nth term, that is equal to A plus M plus n is n minus 1 into D. So answer of this is
0.
0, ma'am.
That is from 1.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, in this 72nd question, it is not A into Q minus R, right? It is A Q minus Rth term, right?
No, Q minus R only. Number Q minus R.
So A into Q minus R.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, here after equation 1, what did you do?
This is left out, and then whose value we have to prove that A of m plus nth term is 0. So
Yeah.
we have taken A m plus nth term is what? Nth
Yeah.
term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is n here? N is m plus n.
Yes, sir.
Substituted. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now in this question, meaning of this question is pth term. So any number present at P is A, Q position term is B, and R position term is C. Then show that A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q is equal to 0. So pth term is A, qth term is B, and rth term is C. Now here A is a term, one of the term. So first term, change it now. We don't consider first term as A, otherwise there will be confusion. So to remove that confusion, we will consider that is first term of this AP. First term equal to X we will consider. Otherwise there will be confusion. First term is X. So pth term is A, qth term is B, and rth term is C. So pth term means A plus P minus 1, sorry, not A, it is X is equal to A. So open the bracket, X plus PD minus D is equal to A. This is equation 1. Now qth term is B. That means X plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to B. So X plus QD minus D is equal to B. This is equation 2. And the third one, rth term, that is X plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C. So X plus RD minus D is equal to C. This is third equation. Now from this, start from LHS. LHS is A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q. We have to show this is equal to 0. So what is the value of A? A value is X plus PD minus D. Substitute that. X plus PD minus D into Q minus R plus B value is X plus QD minus D into R minus P plus C is X plus R into D minus D into Q minus R. Sorry, P minus Q. And now multiply by opening bracket. You have to open the bracket, so we need to multiply. So Q, with Q, all the three terms we will multiply. QX plus PQD minus QD minus R into first three terms minus RX plus minus PRD plus RD. First part done. Now similarly second part. RX plus QRD minus DR minus PX minus PQD plus PD. This is second term, second bracket multiplication. Third now, plus PX plus PRD minus PD. And now with minus Q, we have to multiply minus QX minus QRD plus Q into D. Now try to simplify. This is plus QX plus QX. This is minus QX, 0, cancel. Plus PQD minus PQD, cancel. Then minus QD plus QD, cancel. Minus RX plus RX, cancel. Minus PRD plus PRD, plus RD minus RD, plus QRD minus QRD, minus PX plus PX, and minus PD, this side plus PD. So everything is cancelled with each other. So final answer is 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then further questions you can solve. Finding first negative term.
Ma'am, n is coming less than 20.
Yeah. Solve this answer. Have you got it?
Yes.
Amrit?
Getting 29.
Yes, ma'am. 29.
So
No, ma'am.
an less than 0. A plus n minus 1 into d less than 0. A is 20 plus n minus 1. What is difference?
Minus 3 by 4.
77 by 4 minus 20. 80 minus 3 by 4. Less than 0. So it is 20 minus 3n by 4 plus 3 by 4 less than 0. So this is by 1, 80 plus 3, 83 by 4 minus 3n by 4 less than 0. So 83 minus 3n less than 0. 83 lesser than 3n, n greater than 83 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 2, 23, 27, 2, 20.67. So n is greater than 27.67. So that means n will be 28. So 20th term will be first negative term. So have you got 29?
Ma'am, I took the first negative term as -1.
Yes, ma'am. Same
No,
thing.
you are not supposed to take that. Directly n less than 0 you have to consider. And then meaning of that last term is n is greater than 27.67 for all the values of n more than 27.67 are negative numbers. So the first negative will be after 27.67, which is the first whole number, 28. So 28th term is the first negative term.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, instead of doing 83 by 4, if you keep it 23 by 4,
Why 23 by 4?
ma'am, it will be easier, right? So 23 by
How
4 is,
23? Tell me how 23.
I'm not 23, 20 whole 3 by 4.
20 whole 3 by 4, okay?
20 whole 3 by 4 will be greater than 3 by 4n.
Hmm.
So 20 will be greater
Lesser
than,
than.
I'm greater than, even you have written 83 by
N is
4.
greater than. N is 3n is greater than 83. I have written n greater than 83 by 3.
Ma'am, but if you 83 by 4 minus 3n by 4 is smaller than 0, if you take minus 3n by 4 to the RHS, it will be 83 by 4 will be, oh yeah, what?
Sign won't change. Sign, that inequality sign I'm not changing. You can't change.
Ma'am, can you scroll it up?
Why so Shivrat, you could not solve this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? We have solved some similar question in the beginning.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are not able to solve? Ayo, what I'm doing?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, but even if we take 3 by 4, n is greater than 23 by 4, then 3 by 4 will be cut. N is greater than 20.
N is greater than 20.
Yeah, 3 by 4, n is greater than 20.
Where it has gone?
What?
20 into 3 by 4 and 23 by 4 are different.
Yeah, it is. I'm telling 20.
23 by 4 and 20 into 3 by 4, both are not equal.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Here it is, you have written in the mixed fraction and this is product. How can you cancel 3 by 4 both the sides?
Yeah, ma'am, that was the mistake.
So now here m plus 1th term of an AP is twice the m plus 1th term. That means am plus 1 is twice n plus 1th term. Then what we have to prove? 3m plus 1th term is twice m plus n plus 1th term. This is we have to prove. So LHS, RHS, we have to take separately. But first we will simplify this. So that is might be we will get some relation. A plus m plus 1 minus 1 into D is equal to 2 into A plus n plus 1 minus 1. N plus 1 is n. So n plus 1 minus 1 into D. So this is plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So A plus m into D is equal to 2 into bracket A plus n into D. So A plus m into D is equal to 2A plus 2ND. So A is equal to MD minus 2ND. So M minus 2N into D is equal to A. This is the given thing. What we got it from the given thing. The simplification we got it from given thing. Now we'll try LHS and RHS. LHS is 3m plus 1th term is equal to A plus 3m plus 1 minus 1 into D. So this is A plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 3mD. Now substitute the value of A from equation 1. A is MD minus 2ND plus 3MD. So it is 4MD minus 2ND. Okay, this is LHS. RHS is 2 times A m plus n plus 1th term. Let's try 2 in bracket A plus m plus n plus 1 minus 1 into D. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. A plus md minus n plus nd into 2 outside. So substitute A value. A is md minus 2nd plus md plus nd. md plus md 2md minus 2nd plus nd is minus nd outside 2. So it is 4md minus 2nd. So both RHS and LHS are equal. Hence proved. Continue next question.
Ma'am, is this 3 marks question?
74th one. This one just
Yes, ma'am.
yes. These proving questions are all 3 markers.
Okay.
Now here, see, this questions actually we can use it for competitive exams, not for your board exams, but you can use it for competitive exam. One relation. So that relation is A30 means
A
A
plus
plus
2090.
A plus 2090.
A plus 29D, and A20 means
A plus
A
19.
plus
plus
19D.
19D.
Plus 19D.
if we subtract
10D.
10D is equal to A30 minus A20.
Yes, ma'am.
So D is equal to A30 minus A20 by 30 minus 20. If we do, you will get the difference.
Ma'am, but we
Board
already
exam
have.
you can't use. In board exam, you can't use. Only for competitive exams, yes, you can use. So difference is equal to mth term minus nth term by m minus n. Okay, if we know mth term, we know nth term, then directly we can calculate the difference by subtracting those terms divided by subtracting their positions. So we want A30 minus A20. So that is equal to D into 30 minus 20. That is 10D. So what is 10D? Difference is minus 7 minus of minus 3. Minus 7 plus 3, that is equal to 4.
Ma'am, minus 4.
Minus 40.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I did A30 is equal to A plus 29D, A20 is equal to A plus 19D. So A plus 29D minus A minus 19D. I got 10D.
Yeah, fine.
And then I just found out 10D value, minus 40.
Yeah, that is what I have also done.
Yes, ma'am, with this formula.
Explained you the formula. So this formula, you can use it for any competitive exam to easily find out the value of D. Okay. Next one. This is also one marker. Directly tell the answer. What is the answer? For 76, direct answer.
Ma'am, 100.
Huh? If two APs have same common difference, then difference of their any terms will be
Same.
5.
Equal.
5, ma'am.
they are equal, and that is equal to the difference of first terms. So what are the first terms?
2 and 7.
2 and 7. So what is the difference?
5.
5.
5.
5.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Okay, ma'am.
2 minus 7.
Ma'am,
So
Yeah.
in the exam, we can directly write this.
Yes, you can directly write.
ma'am, in the question number 75 and 76, they have reason. What should we write the reason?
What?
Man, question number 75 and 76, they have asked for reason. Give reason of why. So what should we write?
In science, in maths, give reason. That means you have to show those steps.
So you have to not write any reason.
Oh. That is, you are showing step. That is a reason. No theoretical reason.
So in 76, how should we write?
That is difference. If any two APs have two common difference, then difference between every term is equal to the difference between first term.
Fine, ma'am.
Or if it is for 2 marks, then you have to show. Then you have to show.
Okay, ma'am.
N minus, you can show that is an minus a dash n.
Okay, ma'am.
If it is for 2 marks, an minus a dash n, nth term of two APs. It will be first term of first AP you will take as x and first term of second AP is y. So x plus n minus 1 into d minus y plus n minus 1 into d. So this is equal to x plus nd minus d minus y minus nd plus d. So plus t minus t cancel, minus nd plus nd cancel. This is equal to x minus y. So difference of any nth term of two APs is equal to difference of first terms. So 2 minus 7, that is minus 5. So n can be 10th term, 21st term, anything. This is a general term. So in general term, you can substitute any term, any value. It will remain equal to difference between their first terms, x minus y. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 questions left out, 4 questions. You can complete at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So tomorrow onwards, we will solve the sum of an AP. Oh.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the 77th question.
77th one. Okay, what happened?
Ma'am, I'm not able to find. I can't understand how I should find out K in this.
Okay, that is, these are the 3 terms in AP.
Yes, ma'am.
So difference between every consecutive numbers should be same. So A2 minus
Yes,
A1
ma'am.
is equal to A3 minus A2.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to take that difference.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I found out the difference between these terms, but like.
I think so there are 2 values you are getting, maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I think we have to try that.
Because might be you are getting quadratic equation there.
Yes, ma'am. So to factorize it and
Factorize
then
that, yeah. You have to
replace
factorize it to get the value of K. So here
Okay, ma'am.
this minus this is equal to this minus this 2k square plus 3k plus 6 minus k square minus 4k minus 8 is equal to 3k square plus 4k plus 4 minus 2k square minus 3k minus 6. 2k square minus k square is k square. 3k minus 4k minus k minus 2 is equal to k square plus k minus 2. So this k square cancelled. Minus k minus 2 plus 2, 0. So minus k minus 2k plus 0 is equal to 0. Minus 2k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
No quadratic equation.
Ma'am, you told in next class
Yes.
we'll do sum of an AP, right?
No, there are few questions.
Yeah, type 2
Problems.
questions are
Type
there.
2 questions are there. We will solve type 2 questions tomorrow. And still, whichever the homework you people left out, complete it and upload it. Till 80, check you have completed all the questions till 80. Okay. Okay. Fine then, you can leave.